I'm Vanshu, your nutritionist at home. Thanks a lot for visiting our YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, since we are talking about weight loss and obesity and weight management, so it is really essential to know about calories. From which sources you are getting calories from your diet? Answer is really simple. You are getting calories from protein, fat and carbohydrates. These are essential nutrients and coming under the category of macronutrients. In balanced diet, you should take 60% to 70% of calories from carbohydrates, 10% to 20% calories you should take from fat, and 15% to 20% of calories you should take from proteins. If you want to know more about management and functioning of these macronutrients, you can talk to your dietitian or nutritionist, or you can visit our website thinkyou.in. So let's talk about carbohydrate first. Friends, 1 gram of carbohydrate offers 4 kilocalories. Carbohydrates are the chief sources of energy, and major source of carbohydrates are fruits and vegetables, cereals and tubers. Apart from that, carbohydrates plays very important role in production of fat and essential amino acids. It's really helpful and important for proper brain functioning. So you cannot absolutely cut down carbohydrate from your diet. Now let's talk about fat. What are fats and what are the sources of fat? Friends, 1 gram of fat offers 9 kilocalories, and fats are concentrated source of energy or calories. As I earlier mentioned that every day in your balanced diet you should take 10% to 20% of energy from fats. Friends, fats helps like cushion to your essential organs in the body. It helps in assimilation of essential vitamins and minerals, and is really important in various healthy functioning of your body. So let's talk about proteins. Proteins are really essential and known as muscle building food of your body. 1 gram of protein offers 4 kilocalories, and as I earlier mentioned that every day from your diet you should take energy 15% to 20% of energy. So protein are very important for your good look, and if deficiency occurs in your body of protein, it may lead towards obesity. Proteins are really important in variety of functions like hormonal balance, and majority of enzymes and hormones are protein. So you should take regularly protein in higher side if you are looking towards obesity or weight management. It offers satiety as well, and main sources of protein are dairy products, non-veg items, pulses and various others. So friends, it's really important to take all these macronutrients, protein, fat and carbohydrate in balanced amount. And if you're looking towards the balanced amount of these macronutrients, you can talk to your dietitian or nutritionist, or you can talk to us as well, or you can visit our website thinkyou.in, or you can write an email to us info@thinkyou.in. So friends, if you have liked this session, please like, share and subscribe. Visit our website. If you have any kind of question, we'll be more than happy to answer you for any kind of question related to protein, fat and carbohydrate. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this session related to protein, fat and carbohydrates. So Thanks a lot, and goodbye and take care. Bye bye.